What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be doing another PR unboxing. You guys seem to really like these. Like, people are demanding in the comments of my other videos, like, where's the PR unboxing? And today I'm here to give you the PR unboxing. I've been doing these about like monthly, I would say, just to show you guys the new stuff that comes out in makeup, and a lot of you guys seem to really like that. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these kind of videos, and then I'll know to keep doing them every month to show you guys the new stuff that's coming out. And also, my hair was not cooperating with me today, so that's why it looks a little crazy and it's up in a ponytail. So we're just gonna pretend like it looks cute and I don't look like I am in 4th grade. But anyways, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. It'll be the first link right down below in the description box. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first package, I took this out of the box already because it's actually kind of funny. I got a box and I opened it, and literally, like, as I was opening the box, I was also like scrolling through comments on my videos, and that's when I saw like a bunch of people saying like, do another PR unboxing. So I was like, no, I'm gonna save this for the PR unboxing. So I opened up the box, but I didn't actually open like the bag that came inside. It's so cute. I actually don't even know who it's from. So we're gonna see when we open it up, because I think on the outward part of the box, like, it was from like a PR company, so I wasn't sure which actual brand it is. So let's see. Ooh, we have a wet brush. Oh my God, is this like from Wet Brush? Because I love their brushes. Like, this is what I use on my hair every single day. You can use it on your hair when it's wet, when you get out of the shower, because like, I know you're not supposed to use a brush on wet hair, but nobody has time to stand there with a comb on their hair. So I use the wet brush. I have a purple one, but it's like literally years old. So this cute yellow one will definitely come in handy. So thank you for that. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, we have some masks. Ooh, Garnier. Okay, so I think this is actually from Garnier, because I was gonna say, I don't think I get PR from Wet Brush, but maybe they got my address somehow. But okay, I think it's Garnier. So we have a Garnier mask. This is a sheet mask, a super purifying charcoal sheet mask. I have been obsessed with sheet masks. They're so much easier than like other masks, you know, because the other masks, you gotta like apply them on, then you gotta wash your face and like all this stuff. Sheet masks, you can just kind of put them on and take them off and it's done. So that's super cool. Oh my God, this is like one of those facial roller things. I have seen so much about these. You basically like put on like your serum and your moisturizer and stuff, and then you like roll your skin with this. It's from the brand Skin Gym. Oh my God, I'm very excited. And this is supposed to like really like help your skin and like make it more like luminous, I think, and like radiant. So a girl's gonna try this. Thank you, Garnier. Then we have some little travel sizes. So we have their Micellar cleansing water, and then we have the soothing facial mist. I think I tried this in the full size and I actually really liked it. So this is really cool that I have a little travel size now. Then we have some more travel size stuff. We have their Garnier Fructis. Oh, the Sleek and Shine. I love this. I love this. I have this in the full size as well. Is this the conditioner or the shampoo? This is the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, you guys. This like line from Garnier, I'm obsessed with, the Sleek and Shine. I really like it. Oh my God, how cute. We have one of these things that you put around your neck on the plane. Wow, and this one's really soft. I don't want to put it like around me now because I literally have a face full of foundation. It'll get all over this white travel pillow, but oh, so excited. I'm definitely gonna need this. Me and Steven are going to Hawaii on our honeymoon, and it's a long flight from New York, so a girl's gonna need this. Then we also have the Sleek and Shine shampoo and conditioner. So the other one is a leave-in conditioner, and this is the shampoo and conditioner, so that is awesome as well to have this in travel size. And then last but not least, we have their Micellar makeup removing towelettes. I really like these as well. The Neutrogena, like ones in the blue packaging, those are still my OG. I love those, but these are a close second. I do really like these. So thank you so much, Garnier. That was literally such a cute package. The next package I have is not behind me either because it's literally ginormous and weighs 100 pounds. I don't know what it is. I feel like in my last PR unboxing, I also had boxes on the ground that I literally could not lift up, but this package is large. Oh my God. I'm gonna like pull something trying to do this. But this package is from CoverGirl. It is ginormous and weighs 5 trillion pounds. So I'm gonna open it on the floor and we're gonna see what it is. All right, that was a little bit of a workout to get it out of there, but Mama's got it. And it is what I thought it was. It is, oh, this is still really heavy. It is their new Matte Made foundation. Every single shade, you guys. I'm gonna try and open this up and pick it up so I can show you guys. But this is like crazy. Oh my God. This is my first time seeing all the shades like laid out like this, and this is crazy. All right, I need to pick this up so I can show you guys so you can also be amazed at this, because these are all of the new shades. It's about as high as I'm gonna get it, but these are all of the new shades of the CoverGirl foundation. Like, a little too heavy for me to hold right now, but that is the CoverGirl new Matte Made foundation. There are 40 different shades. You guys, that is unheard heard of for a drugstore foundation. I commend CoverGirl. I mean, it's just amazing. I am so happy to see such an affordable brand come out with 40 shades of foundation. I'm so excited about this foundation. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys want me to do a full face first impressions. I guess not a full face first impressions, but a foundation first impressions on that new foundation. I would love to do it because I just think it's awesome that they came out with such an extensive shade range. So give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments if that's something that you guys want to see, but that is bomb. Thank you, CoverGirl, for sending that to me. All right, let's start on the stuff that's behind me. I'm gonna go with this little guy up here first. So this looks like it is from Urban Decay. I have to say that I have realized recently Urban Decay, like their packaging is very minimal when it comes to PR, and I honestly really appreciate that because sometimes the packaging on some of these PR things, obviously I'm so appreciative and grateful, and I know so much work goes into the packaging of these products and stuff, but sometimes it is a little excessive from some brands, and I'm just like, dang, like we could really save a lot if we didn't do so much packaging. And I feel like Urban Decay really has like scaled back. Like literally in here is just the product, and then there's like a little pamphlet like about the product, which I personally really like that because, you know, we're just helping to save the environment over here. Okay, so this is the Light Beam eyeshadow palette. It says consider this your own portable golden hour. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Oh, it looks like it's like a little palette. Like there's only like 5 or so shades. This is what it looks like. It's actually really cute. So this is what the palette looks like. It looks like we have one true matte, and then this one has like a little bit of shimmer, and then we get like more shimmer as we go on. This orange though, I have to swatch because it looks so pretty. Ooh, yes. That's really pretty. And let's do the one next to it too in golden hour. Ooh, that one's really pretty too, like iridescent. All right, I like this palette. Thank you so much, Urban Decay. Moving along. Did you guys see that? If you guys see me like going like this on every package, it's because I'm trying to cover up my address, but this one is from Maybelline. All right, so it looks like in here we have some lippies. Ooh, I'm like dropping everything. And then we have a little pamphlet. This is our most extreme matte lipstick yet. So these are supposed to be like super matte. It says 2 times more mattifying powders than our previous color sensational mattes. All right, so I'm kind of scared that it says they're like so matte. They're gonna be so drying to the lips, but I can definitely test these out. Let's see, I'll swatch one of them. I'll do this light pink one. This one is in the shade Nocturnal Rose. Put it on my hand first. I mean, it's still glided on my hand. That's actually a really pretty color. It's still like glided on my hand all right. Definitely looks very matte, like there is no, you know, shine or anything to that at all, but it did kind of glide nice, so I have hope for these. I can definitely test these out in like a video coming up, like testing new drugstore products or something like that. They have a pretty red one too. This is Cruel Ruby. Let's swatch this one. Ooh, they smell good too. Yeah, I mean, they don't seem really drying on my hand. It could be a different story when they're on the lips, but I like the swatches. Then we have Collab Makeup, which you guys can get at Sally's. And I actually partnered with Collab on a video like a while back. This video is not sponsored or anything like that. They just like sent me this. But it's like made by other creators, the entire brand, which I think is pretty cool. There's lots of these things in there. They always go all over my house and Prince eats them. There's a little box that says, are you ready? Yes, I am, sir. I feel like this might be highlights, and I'm excited about that. It is. You guys know your girl loves a highlight. So it looks like we have 3 different highlight palettes. We have like a super kind of icy nude one. We have a warm glow one, and then a virtual glow. So this one's kind of like a colored one. I'm gonna look at the Fairy Nudes Warm Glow. This would be the one that I would probably gravitate towards. These look really nice actually, like I like them. I'm gonna go and do a little bit of swatching. I almost took my eyeball out with this corner here. Ooh, whoa, okay. A girl is pigmented. Wow, okay, these have a lot. Oh my God, that one is beautiful. It's way too dark for a highlight on me, but like all over my lid or something. Grr. We'll do this last one. Wow, okay. These are really pigmented. Like I almost want to use these as like eyeshadows. Oh my God. All right. Collab Makeup. I like this a lot. Definitely want to test this out actually on my face. But it seems pretty cool. And again, you guys know as usual, if there's any specific products that you definitely want to see in like upcoming videos of me testing out, just let me know down below in the comments. Up next, we have this tiny little package from Milk Makeup. We have this little like origami sort of thing on the inside. Let's open that that. Oh, it says TSA approved skincare. You guys, okay. Quick little side note, but when I was traveling, I have this Murad cleanser that I always use. It's the one in the white and blue tube. I've talked about it so many times. It's like acne something or other. I think anti-aging acne, I don't know, but I love that stuff. And it is very expensive. You know, Murad isn't cheap. And it was over like the 3 milliliter limit or whatever. And the people at the airport made me throw it out because I had it in like my carry-on bag. Oh, but I was sad. So I'm glad this says TSA approved. Oh my God, this is cute. So when you open it up, it looks like little slices of like a watermelon. Okay, so I guess inside each one of these, there's like a little thing. Okay, so this is their cooling water. This is used to depuff. Then we have the Hydrate. This one is the Hydrating Oil. The Brighten, which is the Watermelon Brightening Serum. Tone with the Matcha Toner. And Cleanse with the Matcha Cleanser. These are so adorable. I'm really excited to try these out. Thank you, Milk. Up next, we have another box from Urban Decay. I didn't realize that I had two. Oh my God, wait, this is so nice. They said, hi Kelly, we saw that the All-Nighter Setting Spray was one of your favorite products of 2017. We can't leave the house without it either. Wanted to stock you up. Thank you so much, Urban Decay. Oh my God, I live for the All-Nighter Setting Spray. Oh my God, I just spit everywhere. I hope you guys didn't see that. But I live for the All-Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay. It's literally the best setting spray I've ever tried. It sets my makeup so well. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. Next, we have Pur Cosmetics. Ooh, it looks like they have a foundation stick. Is this new? There's a little black box on top. Oh my God. Wait. Wow, this is so cool. Oh my God. Okay, so they gave me one that has my name like engraved on it. It says Kelly with a heart. Wow, thank you so much. And it's one of their foundation sticks. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try this now. Thank you. Oh my God, I hope you guys can see that. I love it. Thank you so much. That is so sweet. Then we have a bunch of other stuff in here. We have their translucent loose setting powder, their 4-in-1 correcting primer, and then the rest of the shades in their 4-in-1 foundation stick. This is really cool. Let me know if you guys want to see a first impressions on this foundation as well. I can definitely do that. I have not tried it. I feel like this may have come out a while ago, but I'm not sure. I know for sure that I've never tried it, so I'm eager to check it out. Up next, we have Tarte. So it says Tarte's Timeless Primer turns back time. There has to be something else in here because this is like heavy. Oh, I think I just dropped it. Yes, I did. All right, so this is the Timeless Smoothing Primer. I have not tried this. I love Tarte's complexion products, so hopefully I'll like this. Let's see. Oh, that looks kind of cool. It's kind of like a mousse almost. Wow. Oh, it feels really nice. Ooh, and really silky and like buttery. Okay, I'm gonna give this a try. Thank you, Tarte. And then there also is this, which I don't know what this is. Oh my God, this is so cute. It's like a little clock because it said it turns back time. This is so pretty and it like matches my shirt. Thank you, I love this. All right, and then we'll grab the last one on this side. And this guy is from e.l.f. Oh, this is so cute. They sent me some of their stuff for festival season. So we have their Daily Defense Makeup Mist, 2 of their palettes, and then these prismatic lip glosses. I have not seen these, but they look popping. All right, we're gonna try this one, okay? This looks like really pretty. Prismatic lip gloss in rose quartz. I have not seen these. Cute packaging. Ooh. Obviously I have like a metallic lip on, so this is just like amping up the metallic. Wow, it feels really nice too. Very like buttery. All right, moving along to this side. First we have Huda Beauty. This is actually the first package I've ever received from them, but I've seen them like all over social media. Oh my God. Oh my God, wait, this is so cute. They sent me a Swell bottle. I have one of these and it is amazing. Thank you so much. Ooh, white one. Super cute. These are literally like amazing water bottles. They keep your water so cold or so hot, like depending on, you know, how you put it in there, but thank you very much. And then we have a little Huda Beauty box. Ooh, and we have like tons of stuff from them. We have their Glow Getter Mist. Sounds like something I like. Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion. Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. The Lip Setter, a little lip set. And an On the Glow blush. Ooh, and we also have Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Yes, please. Oh my God, thank you so much. I'm actually like super stoked to try this stuff out. I can definitely do that in a first impressions too because I've never tried anything from the brand at all, so it might be cool to kind of do something about a brand that I've never tried. But their stuff seems like I'm gonna really like it. Up next we have Ofra. Ooh, oh my God, I saw these on Instagram. I'm so excited. Okay, so these are their new Bossy Eyes. So they're like liquid eyeshadows. They look so pretty. I saw a video of somebody swatching these and I was like, I love Ofra's products. I feel like they're so underrated as a brand. Like their stuff is bomb. So this shade is a rosé. Ooh, yes. How pretty. I like it. Then we have Penthouse next to it. Ooh, wow. Oh my God. These are really, really pigmented, you guys. Like crazy. This one is more of like a cool tone, but it's so pretty. And then we have 5 Star. This one looks like a golden one. Ooh, yes. So stunning. That is 5 Star right there. These are really, really beautiful. They're as beautiful as the swatches were on Instagram. Love it. I do have a coupon code with Ofra. It's Kelly30. It is an affiliate code, so you don't have to use it if you don't want to, but it will get you 30% off if you guys are interested. But thank you so much, Ofra. I love you guys. Next, we have Moroccan Oil. It looks like we have 3 products in here. So we have their Color Continue Conditioner. Ooh, for color treated hair, so that's perfect for me. Then we have the Protect and Prevent Spray. Ooh, to prevent color fade like from the sun and stuff. That's awesome. My hair always gets so light in the summer because it really does like fade, I guess. I don't really know. I mean, it's already really light, but like really light. And then we have the Color Continue Shampoo. So these are like color safe shampoos and conditioners. So thank you so much. I love their shampoos and conditioners. They're more of like of the high end. Like I like the Garnier ones too, and those are like more affordable, but Moroccan Oil is a really nice like high end hair care brand. I really like their stuff. All right, you guys, we're getting towards the end. Next, we have Huda Beauty. Ooh, is this another palette? It says, Peel to Reveal. What you thought was love was barely a crush. Girl, what do you have going on in here? Oh, wow. So this is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. I have the Rose Gold palette, and I actually really like it, but I guess she like redid it. I really like the outward packaging on this. She looks beautiful. Oh my Lord. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Her palettes are always so beautiful, but maybe I can do like a review kind of this versus the original and like show the differences or something. That might kind of be cool, but this looks beautiful. So thank you so much. I always get so excited when I get stuff from her. Oh my God, because everything is so pretty. This next package is small, but it's actually really heavy, and I'm not sure of the sender. It's like a PR company, so I don't know what is inside. So this is what the box looks like. Oh my God. This is such a big, heavy box for this. Maybe there's something, oh, I think there's something else. There's a pull-out drawer. But, oh my God, this is actually very exciting because I love this mascara. This is one of the best high-end mascaras I've ever tried. This is the Misor Big, and they came out with a waterproof version. So that's super bomb. I will definitely use that in the summer. And there's a little pull-out. Oh, this is why it's so heavy, because there's a little pull-out drawer. We have a curler. Oh, a classic one. So another one of the regular Misor Big, which is like pink, if I can show you guys. But yeah, love this mascara. And then we have their remover, which is really, really good too. So thank you so much, Lancome. This package is from Loreal. Oh, this looks cute. Oh my gosh, so it's their 1-year anniversary of their Lash Paradise mascara. So they sent one that has like these gemstones on it. This looks beautiful. Thank you so much. And then there's a few other little goodies. This says Bitten Fought. I don't know what that is. Oh, is this like a bracelet? Oh my God, so cute. It's a little bracelet that has eyelashes. Oh, wow. That is adorable. Thank you. And then we have Sugarfina. The girl is on a diet, L'Oreal, but thank you. Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna give this like right to Steven, so I do not eat it, but let me just look and see what's inside. The Sugarfina Gummies. So good. Thank you so much. I'm sure Steven will enjoy these, and I'll cry while he eats them, but thank you. Now on to the last box. It's from Murad. The same company that I was talking about the face wash from. RIP to that face wash in the Newark airport. It looks like a really big Rubik's Cube or something. So let's open it up. You guys! I'm pretty sure this is the face wash. Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna be so excited if this is, because I think this is what the outward packaging looks like on it. It is, you guys. This is the Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. I'm like 99.9% sure that this is the one that I used to use, so very excited. My camera just died. I'm sorry, but I think we were leaving off with the Oil Mattifier, which is the last product from Murad. So thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.